Hello, everyone. Today, I want to take you on a long journey across the ocean. This is not just a story about ships and planes. It is a story about fear, hope, coincidence, and the unknown. This is the original story of the Bermuda Triangle. Imagine standing on the deck of a ship in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. The sky is wide and endless. The sea stretches in every direction. At first, everything feels peaceful. The waves move gently. The air smells of salt. But slowly, something feels different. The compass begins to shake. The wind changes direction. The silence feels heavy. This is how many sailors described their first feeling in the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is not an official place on any map. It is a name given to an area of the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For hundreds of years, this area has been linked to strange stories. Ships disappear. Planes vanish. Radio signals stop. People are never found. Long before modern ships and airplanes existed, sailors already feared this part of the ocean. Early explorers wrote about strange lights in the sky. Some said the water glowed at night. Others said the sea became suddenly calm, as if time had stopped. In the 1400s, Christopher Columbus recorded unusual compass readings while sailing near this area. His compass did not point north as expected. His crew became afraid. They believed they were entering cursed waters. Columbus tried to calm them, but even he was confused. As time passed, ships became larger and faster. Trade increased. The ocean became busy. More people crossed the Atlantic, and more stories appeared. Some ships left port and were never seen again. No wreckage, no survivors, just silence. One of the most famous cases happened in 1918. A massive ship called the USS Cyclops sailed through the Bermuda Triangle with over 300 people on board. It sent one normal message, then it disappeared forever. No distress call, no explanation. To this day, no one knows what happened to it. Years later, airplanes began flying over the same region. Pilots reported strange experiences. Some said their instruments stopped working. Others said the horizon looked wrong, as if the sky and sea were bending. In 1945, a group of 5 military planes flew into the Bermuda Triangle during a training mission. This group became known as Flight 19. The pilots were experienced. The weather was clear. But during the flight, the leader reported that his compass was broken. Then others said the same thing. The pilots became confused. They did not know where they were. Their voices sounded stressed on the radio. The final message was unclear. Then all contact was lost. Not only did the planes disappear, but the rescue planes sent to find them also vanished. These events shocked the world. Newspapers began calling the area mysterious and dangerous. Writers started connecting the stories. Slowly, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle was born. But what truly makes this story powerful is not just the disappearances. It is the similarities between them. Ships vanish without storms. Planes disappear without warning. Equipment fails at the same time. This repetition made people believe the area had a secret. Some believed the ocean was hiding something ancient. Others believed advanced technology existed beneath the waves. Some spoke of lost cities like Atlantis. They imagined powerful energy rising from the ocean floor. Many people believed aliens were responsible. They thought UFOs were pulling ships and planes into the sky. Bright lights seen by pilots were described as flying objects moving too fast for any human machine. Others believed time itself behaved differently in the Bermuda Triangle. Pilots reported feeling that hours passed, but clocks showed minutes. Some landed earlier than expected. These stories made people believe in time warps or portals. But not everyone accepted supernatural explanations. Scientists began studying the area carefully. They noticed that the Bermuda Triangle has very complex weather. Storms can form suddenly, winds can change direction quickly, clouds can block visibility without warning. The ocean currents in this region are extremely strong. The Gulf Stream moves faster than most ocean currents in the world. If a ship sinks, the current can carry the wreckage far away in a short time. This explains why nothing is found. The seafloor in the area is also very deep. Some parts drop suddenly like underwater cliffs. A ship could sink quickly and disappear into darkness. Scientists also discovered something interesting about waves. Under certain conditions, massive waves can appear suddenly. These waves are called rogue waves. They are tall enough to destroy large ships in seconds. In the past, sailors did not know such waves existed. Another important detail involves navigation. In some parts of the Bermuda Triangle, magnetic north and true north align. This is rare. If a sailor or pilot does not expect this, they can easily misread their compass and go in the wrong direction. Fatigue also played a role. Long journeys over water can exhaust pilots and sailors. Tired minds make mistakes. One small error can become deadly. Radio communication was weak in earlier times. Signals could be lost easily. Silence did not always mean disaster, but people assumed the worst. As technology improved, disappearances became rare. Modern ships and planes cross the Bermuda Triangle every day without problems. GPS systems guide them, satellites track them, weather forecasts warn them. Still, the legend remains alive. Why? Because humans love mystery. We fear what we cannot see. The ocean feels endless and powerful. It reminds us how small we are. The Bermuda Triangle became a symbol, not just of danger, but of our imagination. Each generation retells the story in a new way. Movies, books, and videos keep it alive. Some stories were exaggerated. Some facts were changed. Some disappearances never happened at all. But once a story is believed, it becomes stronger than truth. Today, many experts agree that the Bermuda Triangle is not supernatural. It is dangerous, like many other parts of the ocean. The difference is how people talk about it. In the end, the Bermuda Triangle teaches us something important. Fear can grow when knowledge is limited. Mystery disappears when we understand nature better. But even now, when the sun sets over the Atlantic and the water turns dark, it is easy to understand why people still feel uneasy. The ocean keeps its secrets well. And maybe that is why this story never truly ends. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep questioning, and never stop exploring.